बाइनोमियल थ्योरम। ओके, ये कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत बहुत खतरनाक है ये। ओके, सो आई विल राइट लाइक देन कॉम्बिनेशन, and I will make this topic such a simple that you will really love to solve the questions on the combinations. देखो यहाँ पे first thing, if I ask any of the students like permutation combination, they will ask me a doubt, sir, what is the difference between the permutation combination? Most of the students have this same doubt. देखो यहाँ पे the permutation is nothing but the arrangement. Okay, and the combination is nothing but the selection. Suppose you have 10 students in a class. Now you want to arrange any 4 out of these. Okay, suppose you want to form a team.
3.
You want to form a team of 4 students, and you want to take a photographs for this team. So what is my question is, how many different photographs you can take if a team of 4 is selected? Now see, okay, see here you will be requiring the 2 different tasks. पहला टास्क ये है कि आपको टीम के लिए 4 बच्चों को सेलेक्ट करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू select 4
Yes.
students out of this 10. You have to select the 4 students out of 10. Are you getting the point? After that, these 4 students will go here and they will sit for a photograph. Are you understanding this question? Means the question which I have discussed just now, it is a combination of permutation and combination. मतलब पहले पार्ट में आपको सेलेक्ट करना है, उसके बाद आपको ये परम्यूट करना है इनको. ओके, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज हियर. इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड, वेल एंड गुड. इफ यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल का एग्जांपल लिया था एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ दिस परम्यूटेशन. आई हैव टेकन अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल. ओके, क्रिकेट मैच, वर्ल्ड कप. फ्रॉम दिस टोटल इंडिया, the selection committee goes to some of the small states, and small states they will go in the regions, and from the regions maybe they will go again some small regions, and from that they will finalize only 11 students for this 11 players for this world cup. 125 करोड़ देशवासियों, अभी 130 करोड़ हो गए. ओके, सो 130 करोड़ में से आप ओनली 11 प्लेयर सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल के लिए. मीन्स व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इन दिस, यू हैव डन दिस सिलेक्शन. इज दिस ओके? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड नाउ व्हाट इज द सिलेक्शन? मीन्स फॉर द सिलेक्शन you should have n which is far greater than the r. So this r is nothing but the number of people you want to select. So this r should be always less than or equals to n. Okay, now once you're done with this 11 people, now बैटिंग को कौन पहला जाएगा? सचिन जाएगा या धोनी जाएगा या रैना जाएगा या पांड्या जाएगा? दिस विल कम इन द परमिटेशन पार्ट. In the selection, what is the most important part is, at the end of the day, which players are there in a team. Suppose I have 5 players here. Suppose I have Sachin, Dhoni, Yuvraj, Rohit Sharma and Kohli. Okay, suppose these are the 5 players I have taken. Now I want to form a team of 3 players. Suppose I want to form a team of 3 players. Maybe I will take S, D, Y. These are the 3 players in my team. Maybe you will select Y, R, K in your team. Maybe some other student will take D, Y, S in his team. Maybe some other student will take like D, Y, R. These are the 4 teams we have formed. Tell me whether these 2 teams are same or different. Exactly, see, these 2 teams are same because अगर प्लेयर्स देखोगे ना तो
Yes,
प्लेयर्स
sir.
भाई मैच खेलने वाले प्लेयर्स देखोगे तो सेम है. अभी सेम पीपल दो अलग अलग टीम में कैसे जा सकते हैं? नहीं जा सकते. मीन्स व्हाट? दिस टीम एंड दिस टीम बोथ आर सेम. टेल मी वेदर these two are same or different. These two are exactly different teams. Okay, we have here YRK and here we have the DYR. These are the two different teams. Means in the selection the order of selection is not important. मतलब यहाँ पे पहले S को सेलेक्ट किया और यहाँ पे पहले Y को सेलेक्ट किया, that is not important. What is important is at the end of the day which three players are playing, that is the most important part. Okay, ये हो गया पूरा concept. If you have not understood the concept, well and good, no problem, still you can solve the questions. Okay, now see here. If suppose you have 10 people, out of which you want to select any 4, this can be done in how many ways? Select I am taking, okay? 10 people, out of which you want to select any 4, that can be done in 10C4 ways. That's it. This is what my answer is. So instead of selection, what I will mention is combination. So out of 10, in how many ways I can select 4? In other word, I can say it, how many combination of 4 people you can have in the 10 people. Suppose I take some different example here, ABC. How many group of 2 people you can form out of these 3? You will be having AB or AC, or you will have BC. There is no other combination of 2 people possible. Are you getting the point? So this is done in 3C2 ways. So just remember, जितने भी लोग आपको दिए हैं उसको ऊपर लिखो, जितने आपको सेलेक्ट करने हैं उसको नीचे लिखो, and this can be done in 10C4 ways. That's it. If suppose you have 25, okay,
So
let me have one
10C by
simple
2.
question. If suppose in a class we have 5 boys and
Okay, so
7.
sir, 7.
2
Sir,
girls,
7
7.
okay, 5 boys and 2 girls, and I want to select
7C2.
2 students out of this. In how many ways you can do this? अबे 10 कहाँ से आ गया? You done here 5 into 2. No, it's a 7. Yes, 6. Yes, it will be 7. No, 5 boys and
Yes,
2
sir.
girls. And मतलब यहाँ पे multiply मत करो. And मतलब ये it will go in the addition because it is in the different context we are using. 5 boys and 2 girls. So how many students are there? Total students I have 7. उसमें से मुझे दो को उठाना. So that can be done in 7C2 ways. Is this okay? So that's it.
Yes,
We
sir.
will stop
Yes,
here.
sir.
With this concept, we will stop here, and we will be
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
taking the next part, and most probably the next part will be the last part for this combination. If required, we will extend the classes further. Is this okay? So with this